अपनी टाइम पे आ रहा है और इतना बिजी ये फोन आ रहा है कि देखा जिसका भी फोन आ रहा था
Today, AICT sponsored Vani program. So please welcome our chairman, Dr. Salman Ahmed, with a big round of applause for this valedictory function. Thank you, sir. So straight away, let's begin the program because there are some participants here who would want to go off little early because they have to board the buses. So I request our chairman, sir, to address this August gathering. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, everybody, for making this program happen and to be executed successfully. I wish to congratulate the organizers for having done a fantastic job, right from the submission of application to the valedictory program, and now again submitting the documents once again to the AICT. I'm glad that AICT has given us this opportunity, as well as the given a chance for the funding as well. So whatever we could be able to do it, it has to go into the right direction. I'm sure after being a part of this, some of the sessions throughout the 3 days, I happened to attend and listen to few of the speakers. I was immensely delighted to listen to them because they made the topic so simple, because even no man could also understand that. So all the resource persons, I would like to deeply appreciate their efforts for this successful execution of the program. And I'm sure you are taking home a lot of insights and understanding of the subject. And also I'm grateful that the various departments of the college, CSE, IT, AIDS, and other deans as well contributed towards that. Looking forward to have many such programs in collaboration with the AICT, UGC, and other councils of the central government. Looking forward to have more of technical based sessions like this, which will be helpful in development and progress of the academic ability of the staff members of various different colleges. I would like also to appreciate the participation of the faculty members from various institutes, those who are present here today and those who are not present here today. Would like to congratulate them and thank their management for giving them an opportunity. Last but not the least, all the organizers for the lunch, for outdoor events, and the volunteers and all the supporting staff, would like to thank them all for having done a fantastic job over 3 years. Thank you so much, everybody, and wish you all the very best for the future ahead.
Thank you so much, sir, for all the encouragement. So may I now request our chairman to kindly come forward and give away the souvenirs to the participants of few of the colleges. So I request you, whoever has to go a little early can come forward, and I request sir, Bari sir, to please come up, and I request the co-coordinators to kindly come up stage, and HOD, CSE department, IT department, and AIDS department, I request you all to be on the stage. I request sir to come forward to give away the souvenirs along with Dean Academy. Clear the back, please. Now, Mahavir Institute of Engineering and Technology, Santosh Kumar Devaraj sir. Mr. Santosh. Santosh Kumar Devaraj sir. And Salendra Sai Vineet sir. Salendra Sai Vineet sir. Then we've got Mohammed Shabana from Neelgupta Institute of Engineering and Technology. Dr. Mohammed Shabana. Then we've got Dr. Mary Saujanya from Methodist College of Engineering. Then we've got Mr. Suresh Kandukuri. I'm sorry. G. Saujanya.
Mrs. G. Saujanya from Mahavir Institute of Science and Technology. Now, Mrs. Melluri Kavya Sri from Sri Hindu College of Engineering and Technology. I call upon Mrs. Pajwala Kakula from Keshav Memorial Engineering College, Assistant Professor. Nanteru Harindra. Muhammad Shafi Ahmed. Dr. Syed Muhammad Ali. Dr. Syed Muhammad Ali. Mr. Gugler Pasha. Mr. G. Narahari. Mr. Muhammad Anas Ali. Mr. Gugler Ravi Kumar. Mrs. K. Sirisha. Mr. Muzaffaruddin Arshad.
Dr. Ejaz, please. Mr. on your name, sorry about it, sir. Please come forward. You were the first one to be there in the college. And Mr. Ashud Latif is there. I request you to kindly come. He's not here. Okay, he's not here. Okay, then we move on to ISL Engineering College. Okay, we've got Muhammad Azharuddin. Is he here? Yes. And then we've got Mrs. Asra Sultana. Then Mr. Muhammad Rahmat Ali. Mrs. K. Nanchari.